Hey, what a going, what a going. My name is Heneka Watkis-Porter. I'm an author, entrepreneur, speaker, and very importantly, a podcaster. Now, in 2017, I decided that I was going to turn my radio show into a podcast. It had gone on for 3 seasons on traditional radio, and I decided, you know what, it's time to impact more people. And since then, I've had tremendous success. I've gotten to know and interview persons like Lee Dumas, Richard Branson, Seth Godin, Amy Porterfield, Chris Ducker, and a host of other influential and successful leaders and entrepreneurs. Now, since the time of recording, this podcast, The Entrepreneurial You, has been aired in over 90 countries. Get that, over 90 countries in just over a year. And so I want to pay that forward. I want to teach you everything I know about podcasting. And so this is why I'm here. This is why I'm introducing you to your beginners podcasting workshop. All you need to start and grow your podcast. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm going to be teaching you things like the history of podcasting. What really is a podcast? What is the statistics saying about podcasting? How can you make money? Yes, make money from your podcast, and a host of other things. So there are quizzes, there are PDFs, and there are the audio files, all so that you can learn very, very quickly. I guarantee you that your beginners podcasting course, all you need to start and grow your podcast, will make the difference in your podcasting world. I guarantee you. So you've come thus far. Take the next step and just enroll in the course. You'll be glad you did. Your community will thank you for it. Your community is going to love you for it. You are going to just feel so great knowing that you're impacting the world, you're impacting different people with your voice. Yes, your voice. Your voice is important. Your voice is powerful. And you need to embrace that because it's a gift. Use it not just for yourself, but to impact others. See you soon.